everybody. Welcome back to Life and Spirits. We took a little break from Miami, Florida. Came to visit my folks in Fort Myers. We're going to eat some turkey and shit. But before we get all up in that turkey, I'm going to show you two of my favorite holiday classic traditional cocktails. I'm going to show you two delicious, creamy, rich, flavorful cocktails. And the good thing about these drinks, you can have them for breakfast because, I don't know, they got milk, eggs in them. And the best part, they're loaded with booze. So, I'm going to show you two of my favorite drinks today, Eggnog and Coquito. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. Hopefully you enjoyed those drinks and you got to see a little bit of Fort Myers, Florida. Look, I know a lot of people say a lot of things about Florida. They talk a lot of trash. They tell you things like, oh, a stripper's gonna eat you, or an alligator is gonna rob you, or say things like, you're definitely going to get run over by a senior citizen. Well, I'm here to tell you that all those things are true. Happy holidays, everybody.